How to delete Temu search history. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete the search history of this application. First of all, open it. Now here on the top, you can see this search bar. Simply tap on this search bar. So as you can see, these are the recently searched ones. Now in order to delete it, here on the right, you can see this delete option. Tap on delete. Now you can select the one that you want to delete. So I'm selecting someone. Here it is all done. And if you go back and tap on it again, all the search history has been erased. So it is a beneficial feature in Temu application because other won't be able to see what you have searched in the application. So you can save it and you are done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.